Hello guys, hello viewers. Now today my topic is modules in Python. Okay. Now before starting module, I ask you a question. Let's say you were creating a project in Python and there is this particular function which you need again and again in your file. Okay, that too in different files. So to avoid that situation, we will create a file in that we will keep that function so that all files which you need that function can call that file directly. We will keep that file centrally. So the file in which we keep that function is called module. Okay, because we need this function again and again. We have to use this function in our file, right? So this is known as module. Okay, now let us see why we require module, what is the need of this, and we'll also do one practical example of module. So don't go away, right? Watch this video. This is very useful information. Now modules, if we will see, they are used to break large program to small, manageable, organized files. And why we require this? Why we keep this function and use it again and again? So this is what reusability of code, right? You define once and use it again and again, right? With all files. So this is what reusability of code. And module is like code library in which we can access the code according to our needs whenever we require. Okay, we call this module. It will save our times. It will increase the efficiency of a program indirectly, right? So that's why we are creating module. Now, the module is saved such that we keep all function in that, and then we use py extension for the same. Now here we are using py extension, right? So modules can contain function as already described, but also variable of all types like array, dictionary, objects. You can also define these things in module. We can do one practical, then things will be more clearer to you, right? So now again, just like function, we will study some built-in modules, right? One is user-defined module and one is built-in module. Now we'll take an example of built-in module. Thank you.